Hi everyone, this is Dr. Judith Briles, and I have a question and then an idea. The question is, do you create tip sheets? Now, if you do, bravo. But then my question is, and where do you place these? So a tip sheet is a great way to develop trust, influence, and get your ideas out there for your fans, your followers, or if you're just kind of prospecting. So create a tip sheet around your expertise. Create a tip sheet around key elements within your book, ideas. And when you do that, where do you place them? Well, how about creating a YouTube video channel? And you might want to create a playlist for them. Other places, your website, of course. Now, you can do this kind of in a diving area where you could create blogs of tip sheets on a variety of topics that, of course, are connected with you, your expertise, and your book. You can also create a Pinterest board with tips on fill in the blank. But whatever you do, make sure that you run it, you take advantage of it, you cross-promote it, adding hashtags as they move along, because you'll find that it'll be very, very profitable for you in growing that influence, adding to your branding, and helping those who need your wisdom, your sage advice, and your words. I'm Judith Briles, the Book Shepherd. Please let other people know about our YouTube channel with these short tips that we like to give out every day of the business week.